B. Why it's done. To raise cash, example, to pay down debt or fund core operations. To shed non-core or underperforming assets. To simplify the company's structure and focus on core competencies. To unlock hidden value in a division that the market isn't appreciating within the larger company. See example. eBay's spin-off of PayPal into a separate public company allowed both entities to thrive independently, focusing on their distinct e-commerce and payment processing businesses. Type 5. Workouts and turnarounds, crisis management. This is the most drastic form of restructuring, applied to companies facing severe financial distress, often on the brink of bankruptcy. The goal is survival and a return to profitability. A. Core focus, survival and recovery. Turnaround management, bringing in specialized leadership to implement rapid, aggressive changes, often a combination of operational cuts, financial restructuring, and strategic shifts. Bankruptcy insolvency proceedings, legal processes, like Chapter 11 in the US, where a company operates under court protection to restructure its debt and operations, giving it a chance to emerge stronger. Liquidation, in extreme cases, if a turnaround isn't possible, assets are sold off to pay creditors, and the company ceases to exist. B. Why it's done. To prevent total collapse. To satisfy creditors and preserve some value for shareholders. To reposition the business for future viability. See example. General Motors restructuring during its 2009 bankruptcy, Chapter 11, allowed it to shed debt, close unprofitable brands, and reemerge as a leaner, more competitive automaker. Conclusion, action plan, and call to action. Each type of corporate restructuring serves a unique purpose. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for business leaders and students alike. It's about strategic adaptation, not just reacting to problems. Which of these types of restructuring do you find most interesting, or which do you think is most prevalent in today's economy? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe for more strategic business insights, and ring that notification bell.